so it's been over 20 years since she has been on the music scene, and she's back with a tribute to her mom, Rita Marley. Sharon Marley zooms in now to tell us all about Just One More Morning. Good morning, my friend. What's up? How are you?
My friend, how are you? Nice to see you.
Great to see you. All is well?
So far, so good. We're giving thanks.
You look
Yeah.
so pretty.
Yeah, you look great.
Thank you. I was worried about that.
Oh,
You look
no,
great.
you look beautiful.
All right, so before we got to where it started and why it started, how this feel just to know that you're back out there again? I was watching that and I had this big smile on my face. How this feel?
Oh, Neville, thank you so much for your feedback. I like to bring smiles to people's faces, especially to my mother. You know, I love it when my mother smiles. And as you know, over the past, I want to say 6 or 7 years, she's been affected by strokes. You know, she's had like 4 strokes. So to see her smile is like a full-time job, hours, you know.
Yeah.
Children, it's a full-time job to get her to smile, you know, and to have her involved and, you know, to see her communicating and participating with us. But how this really came around is just doing a song for her birthday. You know, it is her 75th birthday this year. And, you know, every year we put together some kind of celebration for our parents. And the question is, okay, what are we going to do for Mommy this year? And we decided, okay, we're going to do over some of her songs, you know. I did Just One More Morning, and the grandchildren did There Will Always Be Music.
Love that
So
song.
it was really the family coming together to celebrate Mom. It wasn't like a big plan of, you know, do this, go back into music, get back on the stage, go back on tour. It's not all of that, you know. It's doing what I wanted to do as my tribute for Mom for her birthday this year. That's how it came up.
That's so deeply personal, Sharon, and it's
Right.
interesting because when you share the story, right, you're just a woman who's talking about the relationship and the bond with her mother, right? Not a Marley who's talking about a relationship with another Marley, and that's important for you, for people to see you guys as a family. You're people who go through what other people go through. You know, regular folks with an iconic name for sure.
I want to say we go through what regular people go through
And more, and more.
and more, if you can understand what I'm saying.
Talk
You
to
know,
us about it.
we have to live on a stage like all our lives, even if we're not out there on tour, right? We're still living in the public eye. I mean, you can't even go through the airport without the immigration. Oh, you're Sharon Marley or you're Bob Marley. And every day it's this. Every day it's this. So our life is basically for the people. You know, our lives is basically for the people. And to have had 20 years of just trying to keep quiet has been great. You know, being on TV is not like my best thing like this.
Yeah. You said earlier that this is not about you going back on stage, but are you thinking about that or no? This is just a one-off thing.
Well, can I tell you, people have been calling me and producers have been reaching out to me. So it's a great feeling. It's good to know that I can still sing like that.
No, you
Where
sound good on that track, girl. You sound good on that track.
I don't sing every day, but I do feel like it's a natural inborn talent, and I should say gift rather. And if I can use my gift, that's what, you know, when you get blessings, that's what it's for you to share. So if I can use my gift to bring joy to people, sure. I love to do a couple more songs.
That would be great. This video is really a family affair. I know Danisha directed, so that's really amazing. Your firstborn directing this. That must have been a fantastic experience.
You know what? On the day, it was very exciting. because we were doing it for the fun of it, for getting together with the family. But like after the song came out, and I was like, oh my goodness, it felt like very overpowering. This feeling was just very overpowering to see my daughter and my mother, the first, second, third, and fourth generation, because my grandson was also on set. So it's just now that I'm really starting to feel
Yeah, man.
the emotional aspect of it.
That's powerful.
What kind of director was she? Did she say, Mom, don't do that. I told you go over there. And what kind of director was she?
She was strict. I couldn't even argue. I just had to say, okay. Okay.
Role reversal.
Mom, this is how you take off the hat.
But
And
even
that was the hardest part to figure out how to take off the hat, but her talent too.
Yeah.
long time,
Yeah.
long
Her
time.
talent also helped to get the day going smoothly. And we worked together with Dre Films Production, which is a beautiful, excellent film production company that Sedella has been working with. They've done work with Skip. They did the survival video the other day, and everybody does. There wasn't any competition. They came on with Danisha because usually they're heading, but this time Danisha was heading, and they really bonded. And I had to say to them at the end of the day that wow, I'm really impressed.
Yeah.
And I appreciate how you guys just kind of allowed Danisha to do that. And he was like, you know what? We couldn't have done it any other way. This is a family thing, and we just have to
Got to step back.
observe.
Yes.
The production was awesome.
Yes. So the proceeds are going to benefit the Rita Marley Scholarship Fund that was established by the foundation. That's great.
Yes, and there are always things that Mommy is doing by the foundation, and even without the foundation, that we may not mention, but of course we're trying to build a Rita Marley Girls Center in Trenchtown, and so her proceeds would also be going to that.
Okay. So having been quote unquote quiet for 20 years, I don't know how you've done that now. Stepping out of that quiet place. Well, first of all, how did you stay quiet for 20 years?
Well, I wasn't really quiet. Like I wasn't sitting down doing nothing. I was being a businesswoman. I was being mother. I was being grandmother. I was teaching. So I wouldn't say I was quiet. I was not on the stage. I was not singing. On stage.
Yeah.
I was singing. I was singing for my students in my classes. So it's been a great opportunity to just put my hands in other things.
Yeah.
And to get some roots, because traveling for 30 years is not easy. It wasn't easy. I enjoyed it, but it was hectic. It was hectic. So being quiet for 20 years is great. I get a lot of family time.
Yeah.
It's fantastic what you have done. It is great to see you. I
Great
hope.
to be here, and I had to give a shout out to Soul Rebel. That's Sedella's eldest son.
Yeah.
He's so humble, he's so humble. And when I went to him and said, look, I want to do this song for grandma, okay? Let's go. How you feel about it? He was like, okay, auntie, all right. Such a cool youth, and I want to big him up and let him know we have more work to do together, because the people want more music.
That's
Yep.
right.
Stay safe, my friend. God bless. And
Yeah.
say hi to your mom for us.
I will.
Tell her we love her like crazy, and we love you.
And she loves you too. You know that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Take care of yourself, all right?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, man. God bless. Sharon Marley. Tribute to her mom, Rita Marley. That's wonderful.
Can we hear some more of that song?
Yeah. Let me see your hand. Every time.
Listen, folks, if you ever understand what's happening in here
Every
during
time.
the breaks,
Chef, What is this? I ask a question and you get
Mrs.
violent.
Grant,
You get
security, somebody.
All right, by the way, after the break, we have a chat with a Jamaican who's working at the
Mercy.
largest semiconductor chip maker in the world.
Wow.
Intel Corporation. We soon come.
Excite.